BH Control, good afternoon. India Tango Mike checking in on your frequency passing the toll.
India Tango Mike, confirm your origin.
Origin Sarah Delta Lima Juliet Paropeba to LBH Sarah Juliet Lima Yankee, requesting authorization to maintain Ray 7 Lagoas.
Perfect. India Tango Mike, ICM 03111.
0311 India Tango Mike.
Oscar de Alaska, 1 minute apart.
Give me an imposter there. Oscar de Alaska. It's not Oscar de Alaska.
From Alaska, he was flying.
It's Papa Sierra Oscar, India Oscar, Papa Romeo Oscar, India Oscar is stopped. It's under maintenance.
India Tango Mike is authorized to go to Ray 7 Lagoas after Galpão de Boa Pedreira, maintaining a low altitude.
Okay, Ray 7 Lagoas will maintain low altitude after Galpão de Pedreira. India Tango Mike will fly.
Lima Fox Victor, descend to 7,000 feet, QNH 1013, cleared for RNP 103, confirmed stabilized. Descend to 7,000, 1013, cleared for RNP 103, confirmed stabilized. For para passeio Rosca de Rosca, contact Belo Horizonte Tower 118.0. 118.0 for passeio Rosca de Rosca. Confirmed stabilized.